Hi guys, I'm JD here at Guarantee RV in Junction City. Today we are looking at a Bighorn 27 DB. It's going to be a big bunk style fifth wheel. You're going to have 4 slide outs and it's going to weigh about 15,500 pounds. So with this one, as soon as you walk in, you're basically going to have a big long couch up on the slide. And it's going to be facing a big TV up on the wall, and underneath that you'll have a small little dinette to eat dinner with family. You will have a double-din fridge and freezer underneath as well. Up in the bedroom, you are going to have a washer-dryer hookups in the closet. It's going to be, I believe, a queen-size bed. And then down in the far back of the fifth wheel is going to be where the bunks are. You can sleep easily 4 kids. And then there's going to be actually a second bathroom back there too. So they're not going to be coming up and waking you up in the middle of the night. And then it's kind of cool because you've got a bunk above that too. So you can sleep easily 6 people back there. The walls, they're built out of Asdel composite. So you're never gonna get that mildew, that moldy smell. But you know, guys, if you have questions, please give me a call at 541-232-4465. Thanks, guys.